those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Azalia and welcome. So for today's makeup look, I did a poll on my Instagram where I put 2 products for each category of makeup, like foundation, primer, eyeshadow, face palette. The keputusan of the voting, I will put it somewhere here in the vlog. So this is what I created from the products that you guys choose. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give your love and support. Leave down comment below what you guys think of my look. See you guys later, alligator. So awkward. Bye. So semalam, between these two, yang ni yang menang by 58%, if I'm not mistaken. So tapi disebabkan most of my videos I use this eyeshadow palette, so I'm not gonna use it today. I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use Valam palette Vice ni. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. The others are shimmers, so not much that I can work with. So ni boleh buat jadi warna transition or crease colour. Basic warna adalah kat sini. So today I'm gonna use bitter. Kepada semua orang-orang yang bitter, gunalah eyeshadow bitter. Next, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow. Nama dia Delete. So delete all the bitterness in your life. And colour dekat outside corner tepi ni to darken the, macam create a smoky effect lah kat tepi ni. Okay, so delete all the bitterness in your life, also the people that bitter. I'm gonna take this color right here. The winner for yesterday's poll for primer is this one, the Professional from Benefit. So I'm gonna put the primer first and then foundation. Okay, this one is a bit difficult. This time is for foundation, between the L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation 24 hours and Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. Both of these dapat tie. It's a tie between these two, so I don't know which one to choose. I think I'm gonna go with this one because tak ada plastik. Yang ni belum buka, so kita try Infallible lah. So I'm gonna put a few pumps. Normally I tak pump sampai habis, I guna sikit je ni sebab for this look I nak buat macam full coverage lah. So for blush, I'm gonna use this one. Ni bubur sikit je sebab dia terlampau pigmented. So macam sikit je, kalau tak nanti dia terus pink gila. Spray semalam yang menang is Mario Badescu, I don't know how to pronounce, against Fix Plus. So I'm gonna use this one for today. I like the smell of it, bau rose, and voila. So this is my look for today.